Introducing the Carplay from Spedal, a highly convenient and affordable in-car entertainment system. This model can be purchased on Amazon, making it easily accessible to customers around the world. I personally bought it on Amazon Japan for approximately $200, which was a great deal considering its original price of $150. With the Spedal Carplay, you can enhance your driving experience and enjoy various features such as navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling. Upgrade your car with this budget-friendly CarPlay and enjoy a seamless integration of your smartphone with your vehicle's infotainment system. This channel is dedicated to showcasing car and electronics-related content from Japan. My name is GreenLion, who is Japanese and has a passion for cars and electronics, aims to share insights and experiences related to the car life and electronic devices available in Japan. Additionally, my car is a Peugeot 508 SW First Anniversary Wishy as 120 Cars Limited Edition model as W2, which is their personal vehicle and often features in the channel's content. The channel offers a unique perspective on car-related topics and provides a glimpse into the car culture and tech scene in Japan. I set up by myself. I have tried to make nice. You can see Spedal CL810 center on dashboard. Also I had tried to hide whirling Spedal CL810 monitor and 2K camera. It had take 3 hours work. Let's see how it work Apple CarPlay in nearby Shibuya in Tokyo. It was good test for Spedal CL810. Tokyo road is complicated, but Spedal CL810 is veer well. It see cath my vice, fin way of Shibuya station. I had send message to my son, also I called to my son by Siri. Spedal CL810 is working good. Spedal CL810 announced accurately. You can see center of Shibuya. Just enjoy this view. T is night situation. Spedal CL810 is very clear. It is very nice. I have a complaint about touchscreen. Sometimes it is not working well. Like this. Spedal CL810 can take photo. It is also good function. I had make other destination from Shibuya. Spedal CL810 is very good response. ESAY to find next destination and quick key work for you. Spedal CL810 has a camera for drive record. This camera capacity have 1K and 2K. I think this is good option. 1K is very good, also 2K is more good drive record. You can see, day and night Spedal CL810 screen. It is same very clear. Ho, do you like it? Spedal CL810 is also you can watch YouTube too. I think Spedal CL810 is one of good choice for CarPlay. I think you are all to buy on Animaze. This is my first time review. I want to make this channel for introduce my car life in Japan, also electronics. Please subscribe this channel. See you next time.